Children.
Children.
Children. Kids.
We grow up.
We grow up.
We grow up.
We grow up.
We grow up to be firemen, astronauts,
Musicians.
Musicians.
Teachers.
we grow up to be mommies,
We grew up to be daddies.
To be daddies.
Aunts.
Uncles.
we grow up to be grandparents.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Hey, Grandpa.
There's one thing
One thing
There's one thing
Children have to do
before we grow up.
to change the world.
change the world.
we have to be. We have to be born first. Born.
First.
We have to be born first.
Every day, over 3,000 hearts stop beating in America because of abortion. This is not a political issue. This is a life issue. This is an issue that affects not only our present, but also our future. Our ministry is not only to save the lives of the unborn, but we are also here for women and men in a time of crisis in their lives. So many of our clients think that abortion is their only option. Our goal is to give them the information and support they need to be able to make an informed, well-thought-out decision that will affect the rest of their lives and save babies one life at a time. We do this through our Pregnancy Help Center and ICU mobile unit, where we give free pregnancy tests, ultrasounds, diapers, and wipes. And through our Fatherhood Help Services, where we help men make the right decisions and give them the tools they'll need to be effective fathers. Please pray about how God would have you become involved. You can volunteer, partner with us through financial support, become a church contact, help us in our fundraising efforts, and keep us in your prayers. With God's blessing and your partnership, this work will go on throughout the coming year.
Because when you're gone, who will stand up?
For human life, we need to grow up.
To be heroes like you,
But first,
we have to be born.
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 Born.